Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we are going to learn 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation, Part 7. These phrases will help you navigate daily life in Japan even better. Let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Let's start! Kawaii, cute. For example, ano neko wa honto ne kawaii desu. The cat is really cute. It is used to describe something as cute or adorable. Kakui, cool or stylish. For example, Kari no fuku wa kakui desu. His clothes are cool. Do itashimashite. You're welcome. For example, Arigato do itashimashite. Thank you. You're welcome. It is a polite response to thank you. Omedetou gozaimasu. Congratulations. For example, kekkon omedetou gozaimasu. Congratulations on your wedding. It is used to congratulate someone. Daijoubu. It's okay or I'm fine. For example, Shinpai shinai de daijoubu desu. Don't worry, it's okay. It is used to reassure someone or say that something is okay. Onamae wa nan desu ka? What is your name? For example, Sumimasen. Onamae wa nan desu ka? Excuse me, what is your name? It is used to ask someone their name. Otanjoubi wa itsu desu ka? When is your birthday? For example, Otanjoubi wa itsu desu ka? When is your birthday? It is used to ask someone's birthday. Nani o shite imasu ka? What are you doing? For example, Ima nani o shite imasu ka? What are you doing now? It is used to ask what someone is currently doing. Nanji desu ka? What time is it? For example, Sumimasen. Ima nanji desu ka? Excuse me, what time is it now? It is used to ask for the time. Doko ne sundi imasu ka? Where do you live? For example, Doko ni sundi imasu ka? Where do you live? It is used to ask someone's place of residence. Suki desu. I like it or I like you. For example, Sono eiga ga suki desu. I like that movie. It is used to express a liking for something or someone. Aishite imasu. I love you. For example, Anata o aishite imasu. I love you. It is used to express deep affection or love. Wakarimasen. I don't understand. For example, Sumimasen. Wakarimasen. Excuse me, I don't understand. It is used to express lack of understanding. Igo hanashimasu ka? Do you speak English? For example, Igo hanashimasu ka? Do you speak English? It is used to ask if someone can speak English. Tasukete kudasai, please help me. For example, Tasukete kudasai, mayoimashita. Please help me, I'm lost. It is used to request help in an emergency. Chotto matte kudasai. Please wait a moment. For example, Chotto matte kudasai. Sugu modorimasu. Please wait a moment. I'll be right back. It is used to ask someone to wait. Oti arai wa doko desu ka? Where is the bathroom? For example, Oto irai wa doko desu ka? Where is the bathroom? It is used to ask for the location of the bathroom. Nani o osagashi desu ka? What are you looking for? For example, Nani o osagashi desu ka? What are you looking for? It is used to ask someone what they are searching for. Ikimashou. Let's go. For example, ikimashou. Densha ga kimasu. Let's go. The train is coming. It is used to suggest going somewhere together. Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? For example, Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? It is used to ask what something is. Great job, everyone! Today, we covered 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!